Okay, welcome back. Last video, we have created a couple of tasks. Now it's time for us to start the coding. Yay. But before starting the code, if you see my mouse over here, we are still in the feature branch, which is like initial requirements. So how about using the Claude, we create a pull request and see how can we merge them. So simply I can just ask, can you create a pull request for this branch? Now the thing is that this branch is all about the planning. Let's see. So let's do a pause. Amazing. See, I'm using GLM5 for this session because I don't want to waste my Claude credit right now. Okay. So it is creating the pull request in here, and brilliant. So it created the pull request Express API starter, and in here summary, files added, planning, test plan, everything. Now how about we invoke our another skill that is called, no, not this one. Yep, this one. Review. So what it will do, it will just review the whole changes. You want to proceed? Yes. Again, this one is our own skills, which I am demoing so far in this video series. So this review will spin up a couple of agents, sub-agents, and try to review the code in different angles. And if you see here, it is trying hard to do those. Let's do a quick pause. Okay, I think GLM has quite a serious rate limit, so let's pause it and we do a traditional review, because GLM, if I'm not mistaken, doesn't support multiple or parallel calls. So even if I spin up 7 sub-agents, GLM only support 1 at a time, rate limit. So I'm doing now the traditional review of Cloud Code using the GLM5. Hopefully it will be faster. Okay, so it has reviewed, approve, strength, documentation quality, task specifications. Then we have URL consistency. Why? Okay. Yeah. Update to this one. Then we don't need this one. We don't need this one. Then five second it is update. What else? Low priority, no severe, no high priority. That's good. Low priority show, some docs show validation TS standardize. Doesn't matter. Okay. So it is fixing. After that, we'll be updating the code and then we do the merge and then we start the implementation for our first task. Hello all. Let's see, let's spin up open code because in the open code I have m.2 minimax. Yes. So it wants to commit what one, this one, yes, and then okay, it wants to push. That's fine. Now let's go to the pull request and we'll merge it now. Merge. Amazing. So as I promised, this branch will not be deleted. You can always come back and see the changes. So now it's time for us to start the implementation. See you in the next video.